When researchers asked people what they spend on subscriptions each month, the average guess was $86. Then they checked the real statements. The actual number? 219. Read that again. People were off by more than double. That's not a spending problem. That's a leak. And leaks are invisible. That's the whole point of them. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you the 10-minute audit that finds your leaks, the 3 mistakes that bring them back, and a 7-day plan to plug them for good. If you're liking the video so far, all I ask is a quick like and subscribe. Here's the problem with how you think about money. You keep trying to pour more into the bucket. More income. A side hustle. Overtime. But the bucket has holes in the bottom. And pouring faster doesn't fix a hole. Subscriptions you forgot. Free trials that quietly turned into charges. Memberships you haven't touched since January. None of them feel like spending. That's exactly what makes them leaks. So here's the audit. Step 1. Pull up 1 month of bank statements and highlight every recurring charge. Every single one. Don't judge them yet. Just find them. Step 2. Add them all up and multiply by 12. That number is why you're always short. The average household? Over $2,600 a year. Draining. Quietly. Every month. Step 3. Run every charge through one question. Not, do I use it? That's the wrong question. The question is, would I sign up again today, at this price? If the answer isn't an instant yes, it's a leak. Now, the 3 mistakes that bring the leaks back. Mistake 1. Cutting joy instead of waste. If you love it and you use it, keep it. The goal is killing what you forgot, not what you enjoy. Mistake 2. The, I'll use it eventually, lie. You won't. That's the sunk cost talking. If eventually hasn't happened in 3 months, it's not happening. And mistake 3. The big one. Canceling without redirecting. If you plug a leak and just leave the money in your checking account, it doesn't get saved. It leaks somewhere else. The same day you cancel, move that exact amount into an automatic transfer. Now the leak isn't just plugged. It's working for you. So here's your 7-day plan. Day 1 and 2. Pull the statements, highlight everything recurring. Day 3. Total it up, multiply by 12, and let that number sink in. Day 4. Run the, would I sign up again, test. Day 5. Cancel the failures. Day 6. Redirect the freed up money into automatic savings. And day 7. Set a reminder to re-audit in 6 months. Because leaks come back. Here's the thing about a raise. It takes a year of performance reviews and your boss saying yes. This takes 10 minutes and nobody's permission. Plug a $200 leak once and it stays plugged. That's $2,400 a year, for less effort than 1 trip to the gym. Stop pouring faster. Fix the bucket. Thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of this. I'll see you in the next one.